I use this Smashbox Lip Primer in light. Can I do another warm look? Because if you open this one, it's gotta be a warm look. I thought using this row to begin with, maybe something else to it, together with it. You know, like one of these oranges, you know, maybe something. As usual, crease brush. And the lightest color in the palette would be this one. To have something laid down before I start with the other colors. Kind of here, a peachy kind of color. Like that. But now then, I think the yellow then. Because I don't know, I don't think I want it on the lid. I want something sparkly on the lip, and this one is matte. So this one's gonna have to go here too. At least in the other corner. And up here a bit. Maybe something like this. Okay, I will do the same thing under the eye, because I know already, of course, I'm gonna have to do something like that. Now then, a bit of this brown one from here. Really gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous brown. So I'm starting with it a little bit lower, but also a little bit in the same area that, you know, this area that tends to get the most color and eyeshadows all together in my looks. And this one I will pull a little bit inside here too, to make this area a little bit darker here. Like this. Even, you know, here. Like that. There start to be a lot of color on the brush, I can tell. The way this went dark fast. Plus this brown one, I'm adding a bit more, is pretty, you know, pigmented. Like the rest of them. So here a bit more of it. And I think I will add a little bit of this cooler toned, darker brown. I could do a black, of course, but I think I will go for this brown. Down here. Same brush. So I get it kind of in a fluffy way and not in a harsh way, like, you know, like I usually do this part, just to really get some saturation over there, color going. But I will try and do it a little bit in a softer way today, for some reason, I feel like. And if you feel that I am a little bit rushed, I don't have a lot of time to play around today, so that's what I am. This darkest brown also here. Ooh, my oh my. Are we talking pigments here? Whoa. Like, okay, I didn't use this palette a long time, I confess, and whoa, it's pigmented. I'm taking the lighter brown again, this warmer brown. It needs to be a bit less gray looking. Like that. So I'm taking one of those Smashbox blending kind of brushes for this area. It's so soft compared to all the other ones, at least. And blend this out a bit, because yeah, it got too much here and got too much of the dark grayer brown, let's say. I don't want it too dark here and too serious now then. So I'm blending all this area out. So I suppose the shimmery color could be whatever from this palette. I think this one, you know, yeah, it looks like, you know, like that, coppery. But I think maybe I want more of the gold from here. That one is a real gold one though. So I will try that one. Yeah. Much brighter. Oh, they're so silky, those. Silky eyeshadows. Super pretty. Okay, I have to put it down. And hold my lid, because otherwise it doesn't go everywhere. I will mix the white one and the gold. The white and the gold. How many fingers do I need here? A lot of them. And smaller fingers. Meaning not my fingers, because they're definitely not small. how people do this. They must be like dull people. That's really nice combo, the white and this light gold together. It makes the white more interesting. I will take more of that blend, the white and the gold. It's so pretty. And get it a little bit more like that, you know, here. Same thing down here. Here I don't have anything, so here I will take, I think, here I will go for this one because I want to use a lot of colors. So I will use this one under the eye, here. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous. Orangey gold. Very nice color. This whole palette is like super perfect for me. I mean, come on, blue eyes and all these orangey warm colors. You can ask for better color for blue eye to pop. I mean, that's just the way it works, of course. I think I'm done with that one. Okay, so again, Bourjois Ultra Black. I decided to go for that one. Yossi Beaton color for blending a little bit around to soften the, you know, it's a little bit harsh looking, this whole thing. What do you think? A little bit harsh looking. Well, yeah, it is. So I will do that with another soft brush like this. You know, just the usual thing. Also in here. It shouldn't be that obvious that I came, you know, like a line. Huh. Yep. Not that obvious. Here I might clean a bit, or I will just clean it with this one and then, yeah, I think so. Okay, so this is really a look that I would just throw on, like if I'm in a hurry. Just a few colors like that and nothing, you know, serious around the eye, like dark, you know, liner, precise kind of thing. I didn't do anything like really dark. So, and I also took the darkest one that I used. I almost blended out. You know, you can see that it's almost not there anymore because it got too gray. Yeah, that one is definitely too gray for what I wanted. And if I had used the black one now, it would be like really dark. Whereas this is like really pretty and light still. Okay, so I cleaned up a little bit and added some mascara. And now I'm taking MAC Strobe Cream. This is just a sample. Quite a lot actually of it because it's like a moisturizer, and I find now in the winter I can really pretty much go overboard a bit with moisturizer. I even used the Cicaplast B from La Roche-Posay, and I don't find it sticky like some people seem to do. So what I used today and every day is these now in the winter. So 50 SPF and this, how should I keep it? Cicaplast B5. So it's a soothing repairing balm. Like people use it when they had procedures and stuff too. I think it's like a really, really good one. And so is this, but very light. So this one is really good on, you know, under eyes and, you know, around the mouth and the lines here and stuff like that. So really good trio. Yeah. Yesterday I actually used this Il Makiage Perfecting Concealer Longwear, this one. What I don't like with those, it's so funny, they open like this, you would think that it's nice, but when you pump, sometimes they close. So, not now. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to it. I think this one is darker than the Maybelline. Yes, of course it is a lot darker. The usual way with Il Makiage. Yeah, so Il Makiage, Maybelline. Of course Maybelline wins for my skin tone. But, you know, I can use this one maybe with a mix of the other one. Also the Maybelline feels very nice on the skin. I think nicer. Yeah, okay, now I have two big fingers again, you see? My fingers need tools. Now I thought today it's time to play around a bit with this Natasha Denona palette in the color Citrus with the warmer colors in it. Because why not? It goes with this, you know. So today, since I didn't powder yet, I will use all of it. Now I have this MAC brush. I don't know if it's so good for this, but for the cream. I will try it for the cream products. It should be good. I never tried it for anything else but the powder that it came with. It came with one of those snow flushed or whatever it was. So, to begin with, this one here, this is the cream highlighter. Of course, it's like a bronzer on me. Now, I know I said many times that I take it out with a spatula, but lately I've been really lazy with that again. So I'm taking it out like this, dabbing it on my hand, because that's a lot and it's very shimmery. So, is it? I don't know, this brush is funny. I have to get it on the longer ones. Something like that. Woohoo! Okay. So I need the blending tool with this. This is really nice color though. But you know, on skin like me, of course you can't just stick it on like that. But with colors like this, I can still use it, I think. I'm trying to use it actually, you know what? Dry. I actually did use it dry with the makeup as well, and it was like, okay. It was okay. So I'm trying to use it just like that. So it won't pick up maybe any of the foundation. And then, time for this one here. It's also a cream. So I'm taking some of that too. And putting some of it here maybe. Oh, that's a pretty coral, I tell you. Yeah. Again. Now it might be better to have it a bit dampened, this sponge. But I find many times when I do these kind of things, it's a bit climpy here. With the cream on top of the foundation, if I have this one damp, it just lifts everything up and then I'm screwed, you know. So I'm trying to do it like this today. It seems, so far it seems to work really well, so I'm taking this one now. This highlighter kind of shade. I'm taking it kind of up here that it won't be too close in the face. Ooh, that's really settling in there. Of course it is on top of the cream and nothing's powdered. Whoa. Now I'm taking some of the coral powder blush. I think I have to just dab this one because I don't know what's going on here. Can I use it like that? I don't think so. Then it might lift everything up. Ooh, but now I'm getting really corally in my face. So now to this one, and it's the highlighter shade, but of course for me it's like a bronzer. Bronzer kind of type of thing. So I'm taking it here more. Like that. Bit over the coral that it wants to be so corally. I want it more like a bronzed kind of look. I think I'm getting there. And then to the high shimmer here. I mean the same thing, I'm really like trying to concentrate it up here because my hair, I get it all in my hair. My hair is gonna be over there now. But this one is so super glowy and pretty. It's like, oh, metal. Oh, I should have been in a sci-fi movie or something. Or done the makeup in one. Not be in it, just done the makeup in one. Here it really settled onto the makeup, I have to say. Like, I don't know, for me it doesn't work to do no powdering before I use those, but that's how she does this. But of course it's not on my kind of skin. So I'm taking this Sisley powder again in Iris number 1, just to buff everything. I'm doing that with a big fluffy brush like this. This one is from Smashbox, and it's really loose, like loose and fluffy. Could have used a more brightening powder though. I mean lighter one, like a white one. Maybe I need to do that still. So my trusty Dermablend for the rescue, hopefully. I mean, yeah, that's definitely one of my powders that I use for like a bit saving situations when it's like this here got too dark, you know, compared to my skin. And of course I have all this redness here that I'm not covering now then, because it's almost impossible. And I do try and cover it with a scarf. Here in the middle. And a little bit here, like that. Taking away the extra. And yeah, so something on the lips and I'm done. So this is just a dab of Lady Danger from MAC. And I used it with this Smashbox lip liner. Those are not my favorites, so I'm not recommending those. Orange Fireball. But yeah, so I use it with this one and just dab this one, and it's really subtle like this, I think. Yeah, but if you want more. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, in the end I did use a lot of this Lady Danger. It's a really gorgeous color, especially with blue eyes and blonde hair. I think it's like this orangey. Of course it goes, you know, with the blue eyes really well. And especially together with if you have something like orange on the eyes, why not? I mean, usually I would wear this kind of color just by itself, almost. With almost nothing else, just cover the redness in my skin. And let's face it, it's enough. One thing I didn't do is to go around this after I did the concealer. So it looks a bit blah. Let's do that then. A little bit. Even if it gets some shimmer in it, I don't care. You know me, I don't care about shimmer. Those lipsticks from MAC, even the matte ones, are so nice. Yeah, the retro matte, like the Ruby Woo, is very drying. But these, like matte ones, very nice. Now, I know I didn't put the lipstick on perfectly. I didn't even use a brush. Yeah. So, let's hope it's not all over the teeth and stuff. Anyways, thanks again for watching and hope to see you next time. And thanks for all the comments. I mean, I know I don't get a lot of comments because for that you need like loads of viewers, right? But I have nice comments, so thanks for the comments. And even if you don't comment, I hope you get something out of my videos. And yeah, that it makes your days a bit brighter.